Hey you guys, I am making some stir-fried vegetables. These are frozen. But yes, I'm making some stir-fried vegetables and mixed vegetables. And this is going to be pretty good because I normally make this. Ooh. Yeah, they frozen, you guys, but watch how they melt. Stir-fried vegetables. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how I make my stir-fried vegetables. They're frozen now. So once they defrost while I'm cooking them, it's going to be pretty good. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, now the veggies they already defrost. So what I'm making is, you guys, is stir-fried veggies. With stir-fried veggie, you can make it with whatever your favorite vegetable is. Like I have lima beans, I have carrots. So I put them in a frying pan, and as they defrost, I let them start to cook. And then I season them to my liking, guys. Okay? I season them to my liking. I always season them to my liking. So what I add here is I add my all-purpose seasoning, which is my Caribbean seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. I add that in here over them. I add some black pepper. Okay. Ooh, put too much black pepper, you guys. Then I add my vegetable seasoning. Y'all all know how I love my vegetable seasoning. So I add my vegetable seasoning, which is really good. I give it some flavor. And then what I do is, after I do that, then I sprinkle some small red kidney beans. I add them in there. Everybody knows I'm in love with kidney beans. I don't put the whole can because I already got the lima beans in there. So I add that in there. I love stir-fried vegetables, you guys. I love to season my veggies. Okay. So I let that simmer together, but I'm going to also add my onions. You know how much I love my onions, y'all. Everyone knows I'm obsessed with onions, right? Ooh, I'm showing some skin, excuse me, you guys. But I love onions. Okay, this is how I eat my vegetables. So I cut up some red onions, put them on top. Everyone knows how I'm obsessed with onions. Make it light, bright. Sorry about the lighting. So I add that. Okay. So I add me onions. I love extra onions in my vegetables. And then I also cut up some garlic. I add that. Just a little bit of the garlic. It smells so good, you guys. I love my stir-fried vegetables. It's so freaking good. I eat this all the time. It's great with like steak meals. You have rice. And it's good if you got low iron. So I always suggest it. Ooh, I'm gonna block my lighting. So yeah, I always suggest it. Ooh. Yeah. So I do suggest it because it's pretty good. So as this is cooking, ooh, yes. So I didn't put too much red kidney beans in there because I put a whole pack of lima beans, you guys. I love lima beans. So I just added some kidney beans in there. So this is a good way to season your veggies. And you know, to have vegetables that's, you know, flavorful. Because I hate to eat vegetables that don't have flavor. Like my vegetables have to have flavor, you guys. Like I'm so obsessed. Like I have to have some type of seasoning with my vegetables, on my vegetables. So suggest the favorite seasoning that I use. Everyone knows I use the Caribbean vegetable seasoning, which I love the most. Sorry for all the noise. Vegetable. So I always add some more vegetable Caribbean seasoning because this is like my favorite. So you want to get this seasoning, Caribbean vegetable seasoning, which is the best. So I'm gonna add some more because I love this seasoning. Oh my god, it's the best. So I just let it simmer with the onion, the garlic, and that's it. And then I leave it to cover to simmer, and I will be right back. So we're gonna check on it. So I'm gonna lift up this top, and then we're gonna continue to stir it. Okay, mind you guys, I'm cooking with some olive oil inside of it, but I also add butter. I always add butter. So we're gonna add a scoop of butter. We're gonna add this much of butter because it's a big pan. The onions have to cook. Everything have to cook together. So while it's all simmering together, see how fast that butter? See, look. Ooh, that looks so delicious, you guys. I love my seasoned vegetables, and when I tell you this is gonna come out so good, it's gonna come out really good. I'm sorry for all the banging. I keep forgetting that I'm filming, but yeah, this is so freaking good. So yeah, you always want your vegetables to be nice and oily with butter and stuff. So all right, so we're gonna put this on low simmer and then put the top on and let it simmer some more. Ooh, that one came out. Okay, so this is my stir-fried vegetables. Look how good this stir-fried vegetables look. It's so good. Look at that. So this is how you make stir-fried vegetables, you guys. I always eat. You could do it with any type of vegetables. Have it seasoned to your liking, and then serve. It could be served on some rice, or you could just eat it plain like this with like a slice of steak, a cube steak, or salmon, or whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the cooking. And don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. If you're new, welcome to Hoodalicious Cooking, and I will see you guys soon. Peace. Bye.